Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 320, renewing your website authentication key. In our last tip, we introduced the website authentication key. In this tip, let's look at what you need to know about the renewal process. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. As we mentioned in tip 319, your website authentication key must be renewed every year. The renewal does not happen automatically. This is because the renewal process does result in some downtime of your Power Pages site. This downtime is typically less than 10 minutes, enough time for the system to generate a new key and start using it. However, because of this downtime, it's something that Microsoft wants you to do manually. Updating the key is simple. In the Power Platform Admin Center, go to your site, and under the Security area, go to Website Authentication Key. Then click the Update Key button. You do need the appropriate permissions in order to perform these steps. It must be performed by the owner of the Enter ID application, and that user needs to be either the website owner or have either the system customizer or administrator roles in Dataverse, or have either the Dynamics 365 or Power Platform administrator roles. Users with Dynamics 365 or Power Platform administrator roles will receive email notifications in advance of the key expiring. These notifications start at 90 days out and really ramp up as the day gets closer. There's also a notification in the Power Platform Admin Center. You don't need to wait until the expiration date to perform the renewal. You can do it at any time. Just keep in mind that the key will expire 1 year from whenever you perform that renewal. My recommendation is to renew the key once you are within 30 days of it expiring. Find a time where the site can be down for a few minutes, and then click the Update Key button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 320 on renewing your website authentication key useful.